button. So we are recording now.
Let us start. Hi, good evening everyone. I am Abhishek Ojha, Secretary of Sundarbans House and your host for today's session. We are excited to have you all here for insightful session on this data management system for the GATE exam in data science. Our speaker today is someone who has demonstrated exceptional skills and dedication in his field. Please join me welcome Mr. Poonia sir. Mr. Poonia sir is a co-founder of Go Classes and hold an MTech from IISc Bangalore. He has impressive track record, having secured All India rank 53, All India rank 67, All India rank 107, All India rank 206, and All India rank 256 in GATE exam. His depth understanding of the subject matters and his passion for teaching make him the perfect guide for today's session. So without the further ado, let's give a warm virtual welcome to Deepak Poonia sir. Welcome sir to the Sundarbans House for this DBMS session.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for inviting me here and thank you for joining this session. So please tell me, is the audio volume, is everything fine
Yeah,
from my
yeah,
side?
it's fine, it's fine.
Okay, so thank you for inviting and thank you for joining this session.
So I think we should start, sir.
Okay, so let me share my screen.
Yes.
Okay, is it visible?
Yeah, that's visible.
Okay, so let me start now. So again, thank you for inviting me in this session and thank you for joining this session. This session is going to be about DBMS, database management system, for GATE CS and GATE DA for IIT Madras BS degree students. Okay, I will discuss all about DBMS in this session. Basically, the GATE DBMS syllabus, the opportunities through this DBMS, and how to solve the previous year questions, from where to study this course, free resources, paid resources, basically everything I am going to discuss about DBMS. Okay, so in this session our purpose is to discuss all about DBMS. Okay, now let's start. So before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Deepak Poonia. I have completed my M.Tech from IISc Indian Institute of Science Bangalore. I am co-founder and instructor faculty at Go Classes. Also, multiple times I have secured top rank in the GATE exam. These are some of my ranks: All India rank 53, All India rank 67, All India rank 107, and so on. Okay. So basically, I can say pretty good experience of the GATE exam. Okay, I can guide you regarding the GATE exam, how to top the GATE exam. Okay, how to prepare for the GATE exam. So I can guide you. Okay, so now let me introduce you about Go Classes also. Okay, I am co-founder and instructor at Go Classes. Okay, just quick introduction that Go Classes, this is a platform for GATE CS or DA preparation. Okay, you can visit the Go Classes website and you can check it out. Okay, these are some of the toppers. These are 2024 toppers. Okay, Go Classes 2024 course enrolled students who topped the 2024 exam. GATE DA toppers, GATE CSE toppers. Okay, let me tell you one thing, because this session is for IIT Madras BSc students. So this data, let me tell you that this year 2024 admissions of IIT Madras M.Tech CSDS, okay, IIT Madras M.Tech Computer Science or M.Tech Data Science, okay, 2024 admissions, out of total 77 students who got admission in IIT Madras this year in this M.Tech CS or DS, out of total 77, 15 plus students are Go classes complete course students. So this is a very big number. Okay, you can see in the IIT Madras M.Tech batch, which of 2024 to 2026, okay, more than 15 students are Go classes complete course students. Okay, now let's start this session about DBMS. Okay, so let's discuss all about DBMS. Everything about DBMS we are going to discuss in this session, and once this session is over, then you can ask all your doubts related to DBMS, related to gate CS, related to gate DA. Okay, you can ask all your doubts. Okay, so let me start with DBMS syllabus. What is the DBMS syllabus of gate CS and gate DA? So you can see this is the gate CS syllabus, and this is gate DA syllabus. Let me tell you that almost 90% syllabus is actually common. Okay, almost I can say common syllabus is almost 90% common. This is the common syllabus. Because you can see in this gate CS syllabus, in this gate DA syllabus, you can see there are ER model. Okay, that is common. Relational model, that is also common. You can see relational algebra. Okay, TRC and SQL, they are also common. Relational algebra, tuple calculus, SQL, so you can see they are also common. Next, integrity constraint, that is also common. You can see normal forms. Okay, file organization indexing. Okay, so what is the difference? Let me tell you, because already you can easily see that 90% syllabus is common. The DBMS syllabus I am talking about, okay, gate CS DBMS and gate DA DBMS syllabus, so 90% syllabus is actually common. Now let me tell you the differences. What are the differences? Where are the differences? So you can see that in gate CS syllabus of DBMS, there is this topic, transaction and concurrency control. This topic is not in gate DA syllabus. Okay, in gate DA we don't have this. So you can see this topic, transaction and concurrency control, this is not in gate DA. Also, let me tell you that in gate DA syllabus we have some data transformation techniques like normalization, discretization, okay, data warehouse. Okay, so you can see these topics are not in gate CS syllabus. Okay, so remember, this topic, transaction and concurrency control, this is not in gate DA syllabus, and these topics, data transformation, discretization, sampling, okay, data warehouse, these topics are not in gate CS syllabus. Other than that, all the syllabus is actually common. Okay, so it is actually, the common syllabus is actually most important. Okay, in gate 2024 DA, okay, the questions in the gate DA 2024, all of them, they came from the common syllabus. All the questions in gate DA 2024, they were from the common syllabus. So this common syllabus, as I told you, this is 90% syllabus is actually common, and this is most important. Okay, now this is actually the overall syllabus, but let me give you more breakdown of this syllabus. If you want to study DBMS course, then these are overall, I can say, these are the big topics, but let me give you small breakdown of these topics. Okay, so that if you prepare for the DBMS, then you can easily choose which topic to study, which topic to leave. Okay, so let me give you this breakdown also. Okay, so you can see, let me tell you about gate CS DBMS previous year questions. PYQs means previous year questions. Okay, so this is the short form. You can see previous year questions. Now actually, let me tell you that gate DA started only last year. Okay, gate DA that started from 2023. Okay, from 2024. Okay, the first time gate DA exam was conducted in 2024. That was the first time when gate DA was conducted. Okay, so we don't have gate DA previous year questions, right? Only 2-3 questions are there, because uh, when I'm taking this session at this moment, only one gate DA exam has been conducted. Okay, but in gate CS DBMS PYQs, you can see what type of questions they are asking. Okay, which topic has more weightage. So let me tell you about the data of gate CS DBMS previous year questions. This is the data on your screen. Okay, so this is gate CS DBMS PYQs. This data I have taken from Gate Overflow website. This is the source, Gate Overflow website. You can see this is the breakdown of DBMS syllabus for gate CS. In the last 40 years of gate CS, these are the weightage of different topics. Okay, and as I told you that gate CS and gate DA DBMS syllabus is 90% common. Okay, so all these topics, okay, other than this, So other than this, all these topics are in gate DA syllabus also. Okay, they are in the gate DA syllabus also. So that is the reason you can see only this topic is not in the gate DA. All these topics are in, all these topics, remember, from here to here, all these topics are in DA also. Okay, so let's see. These are the topics. You can easily see this is the breakdown of the topics. So here, okay, so here you can see B tree 29 questions. These are the number of questions. Okay, in gate CS, these are the number of questions. So from DBMS, total 268 questions have come in the last 40 years of gate CS. Okay, you can see B tree 29 questions, candidate keys 5 questions, conflict serializable 8 questions. This conflict serializable, this is not in gate DA. Okay, this topic is in gate CS, but this is not in gate DA. Next, database design 1 question, normalization 55 question, ER diagram 12 question, indexing 13 question, joins 7 question, multi value dependency 1 question, natural join 3 question, referential integrity 4 question, relational algebra 30 question, relational calculus 15 question, relational model 1 question, and SQL 56 question, and transaction and concurrency control 28 question. Okay, so tell me, what are the most important topics? Let me know in this entire syllabus. This is the breakdown of gate CS DBMS PYQs. Okay, so what is the most important topic? You can easily see 55 questions from normalization. Okay, normal forms, functional dependencies, 55 questions from that, and also this SQL 56 questions from that. Okay, so you can see also relational algebra 30 questions. So these are some important, some very important topics. B tree 29 question. Okay, so let me tell you that in gate CS, okay, let me tell you in gate CS, if you see the gate CS DBMS, okay, so you can basically divide it in 5 categories. There are, I can say, 5 modules. Okay, there are total 5 modules in gate CS DBMS. There are total 5 modules. The first module, I can say, that is your ER model. Okay, another module, I can say, you can see from the ER model 12 questions have come. Okay, you can easily see here ER diagram 12 questions. So there is ER model, there is normalization, normal forms, functional dependencies, normalization. Okay, there is queries, SQL, relational algebra. Okay, those queries. Next, another is file organization and indexing, and fifth is transaction and concurrency control. Okay, so you can see these are the major modules in gate CS DBMS syllabus. Let me tell you that in the gate CS from DBMS, you can expect 8 to 10 marks every year. 8 to 10 marks they will ask. Okay, these many marks you can get in the gate CS every year. Okay, and they will ask you question from all these 5 modules. Okay, the most important modules are, I can say, these are the most important. Let me put 5 star here. Okay, also let me put 5 star here, maybe 6 star here. So you can see these are the most important modules, normalization and queries. You can easily see here that from normalization 55 questions, and these 5 questions, actually these are also from normalization. So total 60 questions from normalization. And you can see from queries, relational algebra 30 questions, relational calculus 15 questions, and SQL 56 questions. So total you can easily see almost 100 questions from queries. Okay, so you can see almost 100 questions from queries, and almost 60 questions from normalization. Okay, from ER model almost 12 questions. From indexing, you can easily see in the indexing B tree 29 questions, and you can see this indexing 13 question. Okay, so almost joins 7 questions. So almost, I can say, 50 questions from here also. Okay, and from transaction and concurrency control, you can see there are 28 questions and these 8 questions. So total, if you do, then maybe around 40 questions you will get. Okay, so you can see these are the 5 modules of gate CS DBMS syllabus. Okay, so you can easily see what are most important. Okay, indexing, this is also very important. Okay, so these are the modules. Okay, 8 to 10 marks, that is the weightage of DBMS in gate CS. And similar weightage in gate DA also, because I told you that gate DA, gate CS 90% syllabus is common. So you can expect the same number of, the same marks, I can say 8 to 10 marks you can expect in gate DA also. Okay, now So let's move on now. Okay. So after we have discussed this, this is the overall, I can say, database PYQs distribution. Okay. You can see this is the syllabus of DBMS. Now, let me tell you about the reference books. Okay. From where to study this DBMS? If you want to study from standard books, from reference books, then what are the best books? So let me tell you, this is one of the best book, that is DBMS the complete book by Ullman. Okay, so you can check it out. This book you can check it out. This is very nice, very beautiful book. Second edition, you can check it out. Okay, the complete book by Ullman, you can see. Okay, so this is one of the very, I can say, very nice book from for DBMS. Another book is Nawate. You can see database system by Nawate. Next, you can see another database system by Korth Sudarshan. Okay, and another is by Raghurama Krishna. Okay, so these are four books. Let me tell you that you can see these are the reference books for DBMS. One is Ullman, and this is very nice book. Okay, I myself have studied. I have studied all of them, but this is my personal favorite. Another personal favorite is Nawate Korth. Basically, all these four books are very good. Okay, so you can study. And let me tell you, Raghurama Krishna, this is very good for SQL and for relation algebra queries. So for queries topics, this is very good book. Okay, this Raghurama Krishnan, this book you can study for queries, relational algebra, SQL. For queries you can study this book, and these books are overall good for all the topics. Okay, so these are the standard books, these are the reference books for DBMS. Now let me tell you about from where to study, from where to solve DBMS gate previous year questions. So DBMS gate PYQ resources. So as I already told you that you can see this is the resource, that is Gate Overflow website. From the Gate Overflow website you can solve all DBMS previous year questions of Gate CS. All these 268 questions you can solve from Gate Overflow website. Okay, so this is the Gate Overflow book. Let me tell you, this is a free book. Okay, this is a free PDF you can download. This PDF is free. So this is a free PDF. You can see this is the Gate Overflow PDF. Okay, this you can download. And how to download, let me tell you. On Google you just put Gate Overflow PDF, and this link, this GitHub link, you will see. Okay, so from this GitHub link you can download. Okay, so very simple. You can see when you click on this link. Okay, after clicking on this link, you will go here, Gate Overflow for Gate CS. So this volume 2 contains DBMS. Okay, actually this volume 1, volume 2, they contain all Gate CS syllabus. They contain all Gate CS previous year questions, okay, of last 40 years. Okay, all the questions of last 40 years. And in this volume 2 you will find DBMS. Okay, so very easily you can download this. Okay, for Gate PYQs. Now let me tell you about DBMS courses. If you want to study DBMS, then which courses you can follow? I will tell you about paid courses, free courses, all the courses I will tell you. Okay, so for DBMS, let me tell you, one of the courses is Go Classes DBMS course. So you can study this DBMS, the complete DBMS you can study from Go DBMS course. You can study. Okay, you can just on Google you can just put Go Classes DBMS, and you can study from here. Some demo lectures you can find in this playlist also. On YouTube also some demo lectures you can find. Okay, so on Google if you search this, then these two links you will get. Okay, you can watch the demo lectures from here. Many demo lectures are there, total 68 lectures are there. And this is the complete course, complete DBMS course. Okay, this is review of Go Classes DBMS course by Himanshu Datta, who is all India rank 16 and right now in IIT Bombay. Okay, so he is all India rank 16 in GATE 2023. Okay, he is currently in IIT Bombay. You can read this feedback, okay, of Go Classes DBMS course. Okay, and there is one special discount we are providing for all the IIT Madras BS degree students. So this is a special discount. All of you who have joined this session, all of you who are watching this video, for you there is a special discount, and that is you can use the promo code IITM10. Okay, IITM10. So this promo code you can apply and you will get 10% discount. Okay, so this is a special discount for all the IIT Madras BS degree students who are watching this video. Okay, now let me tell you about DBMS free courses. If you want to study DBMS from NPTEL, from the YouTube, okay, then what are the best courses? So let me tell you, these courses I myself have watched, and these are very nice courses. Okay, so let me tell you about DBMS free courses. One is this playlist. You can see Introduction to Database Systems. This playlist you can watch it. Okay, this is IIT Madras playlist. Okay, Introduction to DBMS. So another is, you can see Database Management System. This is IIT Kharagpur playlist. Okay, you can check it out. This is another very good playlist. So these playlist, I can say, this IIT Madras playlist. Okay, another this playlist, you can see IIT Kharagpur, this playlist. Okay, so these two playlists are very good. And another playlist is this is another playlist. Okay, and this is actually very short playlist, let me tell you. Okay, the benefit of this playlist, this particular playlist, this is a very good playlist, but this is actually very short. You can see all the videos, they are very short. Okay, just 12 minutes. Okay, so you can easily see only 49 videos. Okay, and every video has almost, I can say, 10 to 20 minutes. So this is a very short playlist. This is DBMS NPTEL very short course. You, if you don't have time, if you want to quickly watch the DBMS, then you can follow this playlist. But if you want details, if you want to study in a very detailed way, then you can follow, either you can follow this playlist or you can follow this playlist. Okay, these are NPTEL playlist for DBMS. Okay, now let me tell you about DBMS opportunities. Okay, from, if you do your, I can say, specialization in DBMS, or if you do your masters from DBMS, or maybe PhD from DBMS, then what are the opportunities? Okay, so one thing that I want to tell you, SQL, you can see this SQL, this is asked in in your placements. Okay, in your placements or in the interviews. For placements, this is actually very important. Okay, this SQL. So if you have good knowledge of SQL, okay, then in placements it will help you. So this is, I can say, in placements or in the interviews, this is going to help you. This SQL knowledge, this is going to help you. Okay, I can say this is one of the favorite topics of interviews. Okay, for placements. So this SQL is going to help you get a very good placement. Another opportunities, let me tell you some more opportunities. Let me tell you about my senior. Okay, from ISc, that is Sanket. Okay, so let me tell you about Sanket. He was my senior when I was in ISc Bangalore. He was my senior, and right now he is in Harvard. Okay, he is doing PhD from Harvard. Okay, he has done internship from Meta. Okay, he has done job in Microsoft Research. Okay, so he has done ISc M.Tech. So you can see these are the credentials of this, of my friend Sanket. He was my senior and my friend also. Let me tell you, when he was doing ISc M.Tech, his specialization, his lab was DBMS. Okay, so he has done his specialization, his MTech, he has done from the DBMS lab. Okay, and you can easily see that after this, after doing MTech from ISc Bangalore in DBMS, he got PhD offer from Harvard. Actually, from many other foreign universities he got offer. Okay, so he finally chose Harvard, and right now he is in Harvard. Okay, so you can see he has worked in Meta, Microsoft. Okay, so this is one of the, I can say, great opportunity. You can easily see that this DBMS can, this can provide you many great opportunities. Okay, so this is one of those things. And one more thing, one of my friend, whose name is Dhrumil. Okay, so Dhrumil Shah, he is right now in Nvidia. Okay, so actually, if you notice, he was also from the DBMS lab. He was also from the DBMS lab. Okay, so he is right now working in Nvidia. Okay, so this is one of the very famous system companies. So actually, from the DBMS, what are the DBMS opportunities? One thing, that SQL will help you in the placements. Okay, in your interviews it will help you. So SQL knowledge, that is very helpful. Okay, for for placements, this is actually very helpful. Also, the second thing that because this DBMS is a system course. Okay, it is a system course. So that is the reason, in the system companies you will get placement very easily if you have good command on this DBMS. Okay, if you have good knowledge of DBMS, good command over DBMS, then system companies placements you can crack. System companies placements, system company jobs you can crack. Okay, and let me tell you, the system company job, they are one of the highest paying jobs. Okay, like AMD, Intel, okay, Nvidia, okay, so Qualcomm. So basically, if you have good knowledge of DBMS, then system companies placement, system company job you can crack. Okay, another opportunity I already told you about, Sanket. Okay, so you can go for PhD in top universities. Okay, so some I can say, you can do PhD from top universities. Okay, so these are opportunities by DBMS. Okay, so this DBMS is very helpful. If you have good knowledge of DBMS, then this is really very helpful. Okay, you can get a job, you can get a placement, very good high paying job, let me tell you, because system companies, they will pay you a very nice package they will pay you. Okay, so this DBMS, this is very helpful for you. Get a job, get a placement, or you can go for PhD in DBMS lab. Okay, so these things you can do. Okay, so that's all from my side about DBMS. I have discussed everything. Okay, I have told you about what is the DBMS syllabus for GATE CS, for GATE DA. I also told you from where to study DBMS, free courses, paid courses. I also told you from where to solve all the previous year GATE questions of DBMS. Okay, all the last 40 years questions of DBMS for GATE CSE, you can solve from the GATE or for PDF. Okay, so and also what are the opportunities. If you have good knowledge of DBMS, then what are the opportunities, those also I told you. One thing also I want to tell you, that DBMS is actually very interesting subject. Okay, this one thing also I want to tell you, that actually if you study DBMS, if you have good knowledge of DBMS, actually this is very interesting subject. This is not a boring subject, this is a system subject, and all the system subjects are actually very interesting. Okay, so if you study this nicely, if you have good knowledge of DBMS, okay, thorough knowledge of DBMS, in depth knowledge of DBMS, if you know all the concepts, if you know about SQL, you can do coding, you can do some coding in SQL. Okay, so basically if you have good knowledge of DBMS, then this, first of all, this is very interesting subject to study. This is actually not very hard, let me tell you. There are some system subjects which are comparatively harder than DBMS. Okay, but this DBMS, this is actually not very hard, this is actually easy to understand. This DBMS subject, this is actually easy to understand. Like SQL is easy to understand. Okay, all the other topics, normalization, like transaction management, indexing, file organization, model, all these topics, they are actually very easy to understand. Okay, so these are the benefits of DBMS. So one thing I will suggest from my side, if you want to study DBMS, and if you want to have good knowledge of DBMS, then you should study DBMS in depth. Okay, you should study DBMS in depth. So you should have very good understanding of this DBMS, because this single subject can get you a job. Okay, in the system companies, this single subject, this can get you a very good placement, very good job. Okay, so that's all from my side. And if you want to contact me, then you can contact me on the LinkedIn. Okay, so for the GATE exam, for the GATE preparation, for GATE CS, GATE DA preparation, you can contact me, because I have good experience of GATE CS. You can see these are some of the all India ranks that I got in GATE CS. Okay, you can check it out. So if you want any guidance related to GATE CS, related to GATE DA, or related to DBMS, okay, if you want any guidance, then you can message me on LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn profile. You can message me. Okay,
To
you can
carry
message me on the
copy
LinkedIn.
just the link of because
Also, you can message me on Telegram also. This is my username. Okay, so feel free to message me. I will reply to all your messages. So if you need any guidance, anything, if you want to ask me after this session, then you can message me here. Okay, feel free to contact me. Okay, so that's all from my side. And let me quickly tell you about Go classes. Just for 2 minutes, let me quickly tell you. So as I told you, Go classes, this is a platform for GATE CSDA complete preparation. You can you can prepare for GATE CS, you can prepare for GATE DA, or you can prepare for combo GATE CS plus DA combo. These are some of our GATE CS 2024 toppers. These are some of our GATE DA 2024 toppers. In IIT Madras, as I already told you, this year in 2024, in M.Tech, out of 77 students, 15 plus students are Go classes complete course students. So that is a very good number. These are our IISc Bangalore students of last year. This year, more students have gone to IISc Bangalore for M.Tech. These are our last year, some of the students who clicked a picture in front of IISc. This is IISc Bangalore main building. Okay, this is IISc Bangalore main building. So they clicked a picture here, and this is iconic picture for us. So okay, so you can see. Okay, and these are some of our toppers. These are our GATE CS 2024 toppers. You can see All India Rank 1 Piyush, he was complete course enrolled student. All India Rank 2 Priyanshu, he was test series student. All India Rank 16 complete course student Jasbir. All India Rank 17 Arpit complete course student. All India Rank 21 Ansika Modi complete course student. Mehant Yala 24 All India Rank. Akash Maji All India Rank 26. They are complete course students of Go classes for GATE CS. And these are our GATE DA 2024 toppers. All India rank 13 Aditya, All India rank 52 Saurabh, All India rank 68 Pratik, and All India rank 86 Paras. Okay. Also, let me tell you that in Go classes, discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics, these two courses are free for all the students. They are completely free. The complete discrete mathematics and the complete engineering mathematics, these two courses are free for all the students. So you can just visit the Go classes website. This is our website. Visit the Go classes website and you can study complete discrete mathematics, complete engineering mathematics, complete linear algebra. These things you can study for free. Like you can see complete linear algebra for GATE DA. Okay, that complete course is actually freely available, you can see. Okay, so just visit the Go classes website and you can study these courses for free. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much for having me. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, I want to answer all your doubts. Let me know. Is there any doubt, anyone?
Thank you, sir, for sharing all the insights on the business. So, guys, if you have any question, please raise your hand. We will call you. Then you can directly ask your doubts to the sir. If you have any question, then please raise your hand. If you are not comfortable to unmute yourself, and then you can ask your question in chat box also.
Okay, so I can see your chat. In the chat, you can ask your doubts, or if you want to raise your hand, you can raise your hand. And if you want to ask, you can ask your doubts. Okay. So a student is asking, can I enter in ISRO through GATE DA? So actually in ISRO you can enter through GATE CS, but so far right now I can say in the previous recruitment they did actually ISRO conducts its own exam. Okay, so you cannot enter even through GATE CS. ISRO will conduct its own exam. ISRO exam you have to crack. If you crack the GATE CS exam, then also you cannot enter ISRO. You have to crack the ISRO exam. Okay, so for ISRO you crack ISRO exam. Okay, from which year we
Prithviraj,
should a student
sorry.
Himanshu is asking, from which year we should start preparing for GATE? Currently, I am in first year. Fresher, what advice would you like to give me? See, you are in first year. I will give you this advice that you explore all the areas, not only the GATE. Okay, because you are in first year. So you should not stick to only the GATE exam. Okay, you should explore everything. Maybe you will find your interest in some other area. Maybe you will find your interest in system subjects. Maybe you will find your interest in coding, or maybe in ML, AI. So you just explore all the areas. But if you decide that okay, I want to prepare for the GATE exam. If you want to prepare, then what you can do, let me tell you that in the first year you can study the mathematics. You can study because that mathematics will help you in all the subjects. Okay, mathematics is such a subject, you right, that will help you in all the areas, in all the subjects. It will help you. So in first year you can study mathematics, linear algebra, probability, discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics, okay, calculus. These things, they will help you everywhere. Okay, in discrete mathematics we study set theory, combinatorics, counting, functions, okay, graph theory. So basically all these mathematical topics you can study in first year. And after that, in second year you can decide whether you want to go for the GATE exam or not. Again, I'm telling you, from the first year you don't have to stick to the GATE exam. You just study the mathematical subjects. Study two subjects: discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics. Okay, they will cover linear algebra, they will cover probability, calculus, a lot of important topics they will cover. Okay, and in the second year you can decide whether you want to go for the GATE exam or whether you want to go for placements or coding or ML. Okay, so that you can decide in the second year.
So, Prithviraj has raised his hand. So, please unmute yourself after not correcting.
Okay, so
Hi, sir.
yes, hello, yes, Prithviraj.
A very humble good evening to you, sir. I follow you from last 6 months, and I also have completed discrete mathematics from our website. Really helpful and friendly lectures. Sir, I want to ask that uh, I should aim for, in terms of placement, I should aim for DSA and or I should go for SQL. And the second question was, if unfortunately I don't get a good rank in GATES, then my B plan will be for studying abroad. Then I should select for Germany or USA for software engineering.
Okay. See, Prithviraj, I don't have much knowledge about the foreign universities, like whether you should go for Germany or whether you should go for US. So, in that matter, I will not give you any advice because I don't have, I can say, the knowledge of that. The second question that you are asking about whether you should for placement. Your target is placement, so for placement you should definitely do algorithm, data structure, coding. Okay, these things you should definitely do. Let me tell you, SQL, this is a small thing. It's not a very big. It's not like you have to spend 1 or 2 months for SQL. It's not like that. Okay, SQL you can complete in maybe 5-10 days. Okay, it will maximum 10 days, or maybe if you want to do some SQL, some commands if you want to write, okay, some practice if you want to do, then 15 days you can take. Okay, so SQL is not a very, I can say, it is not a very big topic. You can study SQL in 10 days, you can finish it with very good understanding, in depth understanding. Okay, in 10 or 15 days it will be completed. It will give you more variety in the interview. In the interview, if they ask you, do you have which topics should we ask, okay, they will ask you which topics should we ask, then you can ask me algorithm, data structure, you can ask me SQL. So actually, if the company, if the company is from the system domain, then they will be very happy to hear that you have good knowledge of SQL. Okay, because different companies, they have different requirement. So if the company is Nvidia, then they will be very happy to ask you SQL questions. Okay, so you can prepare SQL. These topics, they will give you more variety in the interview. Okay, so also let me tell you that, like, for interview, another important topic, that is linear algebra. Okay, if the company is related to ML, if the profile is related to ML, then they will ask you linear algebra. They will be very happy to ask you linear algebra. If you tell them that, okay, I have good knowledge of linear algebra, they will ask you all the questions from linear algebra. Okay, so linear algebra, probability, these are those topics which they will ask you related to ML profile. Okay, if the interview is related to ML profile, then they will ask you these topics. So I can say, overall, if you want to crack a very good placement, then let me tell you some topics. Those are these topics. Overall, these topics will help you get a very good placement in whatever company you sit. So those are linear algebra, probability, algorithm, data structure. Okay, this SQL. Okay, so overall, these topics, they are
Sir,
very good.
let me note it.
Yes,
Let me note it.
Leader
Linear algebra, probability, and
linear algebra, probability, SQL, algorithm, data structure, and coding. Okay, the in coding, in terms of coding, you can do C++, you can do. Okay, so, or Python, C++, those you can do.
okay. Very much thank you, sir.
Okay, anyone has any other doubt, let me know.
Hardik has raised his hand, so please unmute yourself and ask your doubt. You have Hardik Bhatt. Yeah, Ganesh Kushwaha.
Hello, sir. I
Yes,
want to
Ganesh.
ask about future preparation and for the DRDO RAC exam after GATE.
Hmm. Okay, so DRDO, for DRDO, actually, let me tell you, I got selected in DRDO also, but I did not join it. Okay, so for DRDO, actually, every year they are changing the mode of admission, the mode of, basically, the eligibility. They are every year they are changing. See, at my time in 2018, 2019, DRDO used to conduct its own exam. Okay, so let me tell you, a few years ago, okay, not right now, few years ago in 2019, DRDO, it was shortlisting based on the GATE score. Then the shortlisted students, okay, they will appear for DRDO written exam. Okay, At that time, DRDO written exam was subjective. When I appeared for DRDO written exam, it was subjective. Okay, I cleared it, and after few years, after 1 2 years, the DRDO written exam became objective. Okay, but now they are recruiting through gate score only. You will get the interview call, direct interview call. There is no written exam. You will directly get interview call through the gate score. Okay, so D, uh, for DRDO you should check, see, okay, because every year they are changing, I can say, how to recruit. That criteria they are changing every year.
So actually, for the for ISRO, BS is also applicable, but for DRDO, I think only BTech is considered till now. But through GATE exam, will the BS degree also accepted?
See, actually, in these PSUs like ISRO and in these PSUs, there are a lot of restrictions. For example, I know that in ISRO and BARC, I think GATE IT, that is not allowed. See, whether you are allowed or not, you should please check the brochure. Okay, because they have restrictions. You know, they don't allow like in the GATE exam they allow everyone. If you want to take ISC or IIT Bombay admission, they will allow everyone. So but in PSUs, in the government jobs, there are restrictions. Okay, even let me tell you, in some exam like ISRO, the gate CS people can appear, but gate IT people cannot appear. Okay, so there are some restrictions. You will have to check the browser. Okay, and for DRDO I can tell you one thing, that last year, because my friend, he appeared in DRDO interview, he told me that he got interview call through gate score. There was no written exam for DRDO last year. There was no written exam. For ISRO, there is written exam. ISRO will conduct its own written exam. You cannot go through gate in the ISRO. You will have to appear for the ISRO exam. The syllabus is same. If you have done very good gate preparation, then you can easily clear ISRO. Okay. The see, one thing I want to tell you. Let me just maybe I can write it down. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, it's good.
Okay, so let me write it down. If you do gate preparation, then what are the exams which are other than gate exam? Which are the exams you can crack? Let me tell you. Okay, let me give you some like jobs. Okay, what jobs you can get and what admissions you can get. Okay, just assume that your gate exam did not go well. I am assuming that your gate exam did not go well. Now, what to do? All these things you can crack with the gate preparation. Okay, everything that I will write, with good gate preparation, all these opportunities you can get. Good gate preparation. Okay, so let's assume you are doing gate preparation, a very nice gate preparation you have done, and by chance you don't get a good rank in the gate exam, then these things you can still get. Okay, so let me tell you, like ISRO, you can clear ISRO exam. ISRO will conduct its own exam, let me tell you. ISRO exam you can easily clear. Okay, you can clear BARC exam. BARC will also conduct its own exam. Actually, BARC will take direct admission from GATE also. Also, it will take its own exam. So there are two modes to join BARC. If you want to join BARC, then there are two ways. Okay, one is by the GATE score. Directly by the GATE score, you will get an interview call, or you can appear for BARC exam. Okay, so these are some opportunities. ISRO, BARC. There is NILIT. NILIT. This is for NIC. Okay, for NIC, if you want to join this job, then you can appear. This NILIT exam is also there. It will conduct its own exam, remember. Okay, this is another exam. So all these exams you can crack if you have done good gate preparation. I myself have cracked this NILIT exam. Okay, this NILIT scientist B exam, I myself have cracked. Okay, so this is another opportunity. And let me tell you about admissions. So if you have done very good gate preparation, then you can crack the triple IT Hyderabad exam. Okay, you can crack triple IT Hyderabad exam, you can crack, and basically you can get admission PGEE. So this exam you can crack. Okay, for you can get admission. Also you can crack TIFR exam. You can crack TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. This exam you can crack. All these are exams, remember. Okay, so if you have done good gate preparation, all these exams you can crack. TIFR exam you can crack. ISI exam you can crack. Okay, CMI exam you can crack. Chennai Mathematical Institute, CMI exam you can crack. Okay, You can also crack. So TIFR, ISI, SEAM, BITS exam you can crack. So these are some of the exams that for M.Tech admission, M.Tech or PhD, either for M.Tech or PhD admission, these exams you can crack. Okay, these are also, let me tell you one more exam is there, that is just exam. This just exam also you can crack. Okay, this just exam will take you to IISc Bangalore. If you want to do MTech from IISc Bangalore, then this just exam you can clear. Okay, so these are some of the opportunities which you can get without gate. If you don't do well in gate, then still so many opportunities are there with good gate preparation. All these you can crack, all of them you can crack. Okay, there are more actually, but these are some of the, I can say, some of the most popular. uh, so I hope I'm not, if I'm forgetting anything, I will make a detailed video on the Go Classes YouTube channel about it. Okay, so maybe something I'm forgetting, these I remember. And if there is something more, okay, some more if there are, then I will create a detailed video on the Go Classes YouTube channel. Okay, for all these exams which you can crack with good gate preparation but without the gate. I hope this was helpful.
Sir, is they are accepting our BS degree as I am doing it standalone?
Sorry, I'm not getting your doubt.
Sir, they will accept our BS degree.
See, they
If
mostly they will accept any 4 year bachelor degree. Okay, so of course you are doing IIT Madras BS degree. So in this is my expectation that they will accept. Okay, because see, most of these exams or these PSUs, government jobs, these MTech admissions, PhD admissions, most of them they they allow 4 year bachelor degree program. Any 4 year bachelor degree program they allow, BTech, BS, BE. Okay, they will allow. So but you will have to check the browser. Please check the browser. See, for example, if you are interested in ISRO, then please download the latest ISRO browser and check it out. Similarly, if you are interested in, let's assume, TIFR exam, then please download the latest browser. Remember, latest browser you download, and then you check it out, check the eligibility.
Yeah,
Okay.
Abhishek. I hope you got answer. How to explain yourself?
Hmm.
If you
Am I
have,
audible, sir?
yeah,
Yes, yes.
Sir, I completed my first year college a week ago. So I completed the linear algebra course in Go classes and was moved towards the discrete mathematics, and I was doing computronics through it. I am having some difficulty in computronics, the counting part. So I'm asking, will there be any like doubt solving session or live section for the like pre-recorded classes that you have uploaded in the free courses of computronics?
So you are right now doing combinatorics. That is like, from where are you doing? You are doing from the Go Classes website,
Sir,
discrete mathematics
entirely
course,
Go classes. I've done the
or
linear
you are doing
algebra
from
also
YouTube?
from Go classes.
From the website, are you doing from the Go
Yes, sir.
Classes website?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you are facing difficulty in the combinatorics.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will take live session. Don't worry. I will right now. I will note it down, and in the next 1 or 2 week, in the next 2 weeks, I will take live session of combinatorics. I will give you the summary. Okay, I will summarize the entire course. Okay, and I will do a lot of practice, back to back. I will do practice all the type of questions, and I will solve. This will be live session. You can join it, and you can ask your doubts in the live session by turning on the mic. Okay, you can message me
Sir,
on the
in
Telegram.
the Google Meet or where?
It will be I will share a live Zoom link. I will share. You just send me message on the Telegram. I will add you in the Go Classes announcement group. There you will get this link. Okay, so this link you will get. I will share with you. Don't worry. Whenever the session will happen, I will share you this link with you. And in advance, I will tell you that this session will happen after 2 days or one day. In advance, I will notify you. So
Sir, but
message
I
me on
have
the
not,
Telegram. Yes.
sir, but I have not joined any courses yet.
No problem. That's what I'm telling you. Please message me on the Telegram, and you mention that you are from this session, from IIT Madras BS
Okay, sir.
session. You are from this session. Just mention it. I will add you to a list, and I will share all the notifications with you. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. A student is asking, please guide me on GRE and CAT. I can't guide because I myself have not never cracked GRE and CAT. So far, I did not attempt. So far, I did not prepare. I did not appear. Okay, so I don't have any expertise of this area. So that's the reason I cannot guide. I can guide you regarding the GATE exam. Okay.
Relook Das. Yeah, meet sir. Ask Relook Das.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening.
Sir, I have actually been interested to prepare for GATE along with the 4 year degree in data science. I have already completed foundation level this year in May. I actually I wanted to start, but I had actually dropped here for my GATE preparation. So this year I will start for GATE. I had wanted to ask that the third year eligibility is relatively new and was started in 2022. So in this BS degree, is it that I have to be in the fourth year, or is it that if I complete third year, then I'll be eligible to give GATE in 2027?
No, with third year, when you are in your third year, you can attempt the GATE exam. Okay. Also, you can attempt the GATE exam when you are in your final year. So during the 4 year course, you can attempt GATE exam two times. When you are in third year, that GATE exam you can appear, and when you are in fourth year, that GATE exam you can appear.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt, anyone? Let me know.
If you
A
have
student
any
is
doubt,
asking. Yes.
tell me,
Any
sir.
doubt? Let me know.
If any doubt you have, then raise your hand and ask a doubt. Either or you can paste or type in chat box.
Also, after this session, if you want to contact me, then I've already told you that you can contact me on the LinkedIn, you can contact me on the Telegram. I've given you my LinkedIn ID, also Telegram ID, so you can contact me there also. So far on the LinkedIn, every message I have replied. So it's not like you will message me and I will not reply. It will not happen. Okay. So far, on the LinkedIn, I think every message that I get, I have replied. On the Telegram, also most of the messages I reply. So you can contact me there also. If you have any doubt, you can ask right now. Let me know.
Someone is asking where is Telegram link. Sir, can you
Very
just
so okay. This actually this is my. You can see.
yeah, the
Let me.
slides I saw, but if you
Ye-
have
thi-
link in
Here,
your
here it is.
desktop, link of the in the chat box.
This is my username. You can see this is my username. Deepak
That's the reason. Even
Poonia.
recording of this session will be available on Sundarbans YouTube channel. So guys, you
Okay.
can check it on later on also, and you can join it.
So this is the username. You can message me here.
I think so. Now it's time to
Sure.
wrap up the session because we are out of the time.
Just one last doubt. Let me take. A student is asking, can we get foreign university through GATE exam? So there are two, three universities in Germany, also in Singapore, which will allow you, which where you can take admission through the GATE exam. If you have good GATE score, then in Germany there are two universities. I think University of Munich, and another is Singapore University, National University of Singapore, NUS. Okay, so you can check it out. Just on Google, you just put it. Foreign universities through GATE. M.Tech in the foreign universities through GATE. Okay, just put it out. You will see those three or four universities which will allow you through the GATE exam. Okay, already one of my friend, she has taken admission in Singapore University through the GATE exam. Okay,
Yes, so I
so
think now we should wrap up, sir.
yes,
Thank you, thank you, sir, for joining us today and sharing your knowledge on database management and clearing all the doubts whatever students have regarding this exam or TVMS. And to all our participants, thank you for being here. Remember, the key of success is continuous learning and dedication. Keep striving towards your goal, and one day we might celebrate your achievements too. Once again, big thank you to Mr. Deepak Poonia sir and to all of you being part of this session. Have a great evening, goodbye, and see you in the next session.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Thank you.
If someone have other doubt regarding the recordings or something, we will upload the recording of this section on Sundarbans YouTube channel, so you can check it out later on also. If you have other questions, so as sir said, you can directly ask to him on LinkedIn or Telegram. So if you have any other doubts, so you can reach out to the sir and you can ask the doubt.
Thank you, sir.